like as we talked before now, installation of thunder arrestor I can't do for the house. Though I may still first do the piping of the house. So when it reach the time of the thunder installation time, when the material need and I take coming, I can't do. So as you see, and this one are the earth, this one are the pit where we want do the installation. This pit now, you go see tape for me for my hand now. Like now, I get to tape here. This one now to measure the deepness of the earth pit before we earth and so now 6 feet. Now we dig here. Based on say here, in order to take feeling like that, now make us dig on 6 feet. Then why this other tape? Now to take the measurement of the copper tape from the roof up to down. So in most cases, all those roof, the owner don't already when they do the roof, neither they do. But this very one, they not put on where they do the roof, which is the Arrestor. I don't know whether you feel capture them. Need the foresee. So that Arrestor when they up now.
Okay, that's something.
Yes, sir. Now when they do roof, now they supposed to do. But this house, they not do and put when they do the roofing. So now me can't do one. So we need to use this one measurement so that I'll feel give right estimate to the owner. The tape not come too long or it not reach. Now be the use of this tape. This will not come before to measure the deepness of the pit. Then after we don't do that thing for up, at times all those places when they take now, who feel from there they leak. Now make me go buy this silicone gum. As we don't now put finish, now to put this silicone gum, take gum all those knees for so that
nice for
the up. So where we put the Arrestor for up. Now to come use this silicone gum, take gum all those area where we take so that water not come from there they enter the house will come from there the leak. Now be the use of this silicone gum. Then for the house now, I give the owner quotation, so he still ask for the best, and at the best I give him. So how you go to know the best? Maybe true as they see the materials won't take work. If you believe say I not job and I waiting pay for now I take down for them. Now make me never put all the earth rod for inside the pit. Now for earth rod now I use for the thunder arrestor. Till it don't dey inside already.
Okay, till it don't
dey inside. If you look and you see why something will come out. That one and one. The one when they this and two. The one when they this and I make a 3. Now this one when they my hand, I make a 4. Why I hold this one, I never put on be say so that the owner go no say now waiting pay for now I take one. This pure copper now it they bend. Unlike iron, you know, if it bend now. If you look and I won't bend now. You see it they bend. So I'll come find me to straighten. Help me straighten back. So I go straighten back now before I'll put inside. Why I bend now so that made the owner no say waiting he pay for. Now I use one. So with for this rod, we get pure copper. We get copper, 100% copper. We get 50% copper. Some people say they do painted copper aluminium. They come paint all the stuff. But the one I use for the man, the earth rod na pure copper. The copper tape na pure copper. The earth marks na pure copper. If you look that earth marks now, earth marks. If you look at where you see and say wide, so now 2 feet. Unlike all those one that they use when they say, like the one way that they say, you know the wide like this. If you look inside, and I get 1, 2, 3, 4 for inside in between the copper tape, the way I take around down. Now the one way that they say now like one inside one of it. Like that. So this one now me they by myself they do one. I go buy copper tape. I go by myself. I'll buy copper tape. I go by myself measure. I'll do one. Then I'll come use driller. Take drill hole. Follow all the 4 corner where all those earth rod go there. So no need to come they use wire take the tie. You know, so if you use wire tie, guy when go tear it, you come they get partial contact. But as I drill hole put with the knot when they put, I come screw and tighten. You know, go ever get partial contact. So all those one way there are the charcoals for the installation. Then while the other ones could be the industrial salt. Those one way there bag, those white bag. Then the other gallon too. Now diesel. Now they inside that gallon.
Okay.
Then why this one can't be the joiner? So now this one now take clip the copper tape and the earth marks together. While some people, like some people, they will pull nail, go they pull wire for inside the nail, take journal together. But no, with this one, and there's nothing like wire inside here. Everything will be done accordingly the way it will make the arrestor be active. There will not be partial contact. So
okay,
I go.
I'll start now.
I'll start the installation process before I'll take you around where we take pipe and lay pipe follow and before we put on for up.
Yeah, for this
Wire.
microphone wire.
Okay, sir. You come closer. Beg my suffering small. So now the earth pit be this one. You see how we take runner? We chisel round from here go up. We can't run now. If you look at now, we still pipe here. Then we dig and reach the foundation before we bend and come out. So these are copper tape now, so that if it touch wall, if it touch the foundation of the house.
Okay.
And because dig and reach ground, then pipe and come inside. So I'll put this electrode inside now. I don't lose her. I have to put her. So I don't know how to tighten. If you too tighten, now if you go one, you don't dey over tighten too. So this one are to tie the copper tape to the earth marks. So I don't tie now. Everything about the time don't finish now. So the next thing now to come the put the charcoal and the salt then one after the other. You look and I dey can't be. See, everything they connected, nothing they shake am. At least don't I reach here and I go say, ah, I get friend here. Oh. I don't need to offend my friend though. They'll give way.
Okay.
So everything don't finish. So
They blew the charcoal now.
alright, sir. Yeah. Wait some more. When I see that fit come out. Side the piece.
Okay, if it is one like that. Like how many bag of charcoal and how many bag of salt?
Okay. Now 10 bags. 10 bag of charcoal, 10 bag of salt. Like this charcoal of 18, I get two type. If you look this one big, be like those one when they take the press cloth. Those one I did better for thunder installation. Installation of thunder arrestor. Why the other one when they did dusty? All those one is good for earthing of house. So some people at times they mistaking earthing for thunder arrestor. So I will use this opportunity to tell my people, my viewers, my clients and customers that difference deal. So thunder arrestor now to prevent thunder may not enter the house. Can they destroy your electronics? Electronics, I mean those plasma TV, your deck, home theater, fridge, and so any other anything they don't call electronics. So why earthing now to prevent shocking? So you earth all those sockets so that now they shock for war. So not be exact same thing when they take the install do thunder arrestor, and they take they do earthing. Big difference there. Some people now they'll buy 3 bags of this one, buy 3 bags of this one, say they won't do thunder arrestor as if they are doing earthing. You are according to our booking.
Okay, which you want to put again?
So now the diesel turn now.
Yeah.
Diesel. Oh. So
now water now.
Now water now. So
Okay,
that
make the pour am for yourself.
everything will decirculate.
Now soup you won't cook.
Not be small thing. This one we dey cook for thunder.
Arrestor. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, but true.
Yes, now say now here for finish. So we'll wait some more and make the water enter ground, everything.
Okay, make the water and the diesel enter ground.
Everything they diluted before we.
What shall I say? We go show our viewers for up.
Okay. Now, waiting I want to go show them now. I will take chisel. If you look this house, now parapet house. We chisel am from inside.
Okay, parapet.
Parapet house. So we chisel am from inside. We can't bust am from here. So this one a pipe.
Okay.
We can't carry the tape follow pipe. If you look here now, you see I say follow pipe. Reach here before it enter inside ground.
Okay. Wait. Okay, come here. Come here. Lights. Let's go.
So now here will crack. So though I tell the owner say as soon as they don't pour those windows and door, let me know so that we'll first do the arrestor. We'll install them before plastering. Okay. So why I not do during piping? Be say I feel go do in some cases where I don't pipe do like this. They never put window and door. They'll go thief and they'll pull and thief the copper tape come on. So I can tell and say for security reason, if they don't pull door and windows, let me know before plastering because this thing need to follow through pipe. So, but the thing whether I escape, I don't know. So when they come, they don't already plaster before I come put on to my notice. Say, we never do the thunder arrestor. Now I come and say we supposed to do one before plastering. So now make us come crack the wall. Now bricklayer they'll come redress the wall back. So the copper tape follow inside this pipe. So we prevent them from touching the wall. Not like where they will just put on for plaster. Now so it follow like this.
Okay, now they good as
go on top the roof. Go connect them to the copper tape, the arrestor for up.
Okay, and you don't through with the work now?
Yes, I don't through with the work. So I miss see pipe the house, all those piping. I miss see.
I come down. They come. It's a vehicle.
That's true, sir.
They work down. So my people, electrical man don't through with the installation of a thunder arrestor. So electrical man, like how much cost do you want to do the job?
So everything I take do both material and workmanship na 600,000. But this work, that amount, some people still decide say maybe na 400k I get to. Some people go say bring out do for you. Some people go say na 100k I get to on 150. Some people go say bring out do for you. But the truth is that if really they are going for the kind of material, why they do this installation in this house with the installation, there is no how even 500 can be able to do the job because those things are very expensive, like the copper tape, earth marks, arrestor, earth rod, industrial salt, charcoal, copper joiner, diesel, and so forth. So all those things they cost to get them before you even see pay the person when go climb roof for you, especially this one when they not put on why they do the roof. It will cost well.
Okay, your call number when our viewer fit reach you.
So the following number when they fit reach me for both call and WhatsApp now 070-3759-7939. Repeat 070-3759-7939. My second number now 090-5606-4733.
My people, I do some time to watch this video.